the show, we have Keithai, a student of the music school from the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Welcome, Keithai.
Thank you very much.
So, Keithai, as stated before, you go to the Edna Manley College.
Yeah, the School of Music.
Yes. What do you do there exactly?
Well, I'm a music ed student. Pursue a bachelor degree in education, and my major is percussion and all. Percussion, which includes small percussions, djembe, congos. Yeah, learn different type of techniques and all of that. So yeah, but I do stuff like minors, like with piano. Everybody have to do minor, so you have to do a little bit of guitar skill, piano skill. You have to learn vocal skill. So yeah.
Okay, tell me about your earlier life.
Oh, well, I started doing music from the age at 12.
Okay.
Yeah, and I made a drum group called Dynamic Drummers from Lennon High School. That was my high school before, and we went to festival and collect gold medals, stuff like that, and that's where everything actually started for my music career. Yeah, but now, being at Edna Manley College of Performing Arts, yeah, I've been exposed to the music world and meet a lot of artists, and sometimes plays for some of them, and the experience is really good.
Okay.
It's a really good experience.
So what are some of the courses that you do?
Oh, courses, okay. Percussion class. Voice, that would be vocal skill. Oral and sight singing, that is very important. Theory, yeah, we have to do theory too. So a lot of people think music is just about coming, playing music and having fun. Yeah, you have to do a little theory. You have to know especially for the music ed students. And listen and appraisal, to listen music and analyze it. That's basically it.
You think with your musical techniques and the dynamics that you have in music, do you think you can help those poverty-stricken areas?
Well, yeah, first, you have to start off with positive music.
Yes.
Because most of the things that cause the whole poverty, especially the violence and stuff like that, comes from the music, where people sing and what people put out to the public, so people kind of gravitate towards that type of music. So if I should start by helping people, as in the communities, like on behalf of music, I would start with putting out positive music. For a person like me now, I'm a person like this, I'm a performer. So my things like going to communities, play for people, let them enjoy themselves and yeah, show off the talent. Yeah.
So could you give us a little piece before we wrap up?
Oh yes, this rhythm is called the Camel, South African rhythm from Guinea. Yeah, that's West Africa.
Sashi Scott.